how to fix EAFC25 capped refresh rate and FPS. I'm going to tell you how to fix the capped refresh rate and FPS in EAFC25. If you're stuck at 60 FPS or your monitor's refresh rate isn't being used properly, check by checking your in-game settings. Go to Settings, Display Configuration, and make sure VSync is turned off. Then, set the frame rate option to no limit on FPS. After that, go to your GPU control panel, NVIDIA or AMD, and force VSync off and set the preferred refresh rate to the highest available. Also, make sure your monitor is actually running at its max refresh rate in your Windows display settings. If you're on a laptop, disable battery saving features or switch to high performance mode. Finally, disable any third-party overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience that might interfere.